Good day, viewers all over the world. I remain Saluma today. I want to talk about mathematics, and under mathematics, I will talk about simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation. I've talked about linear equation. This simultaneous equation, in linear equation, I told us that there is only one unknown. But in simultaneous equation, we have two unknowns. And when you're talking about unknown in mathematics, you are talking about the alphabet in an equation. Let's say, for instance, I have x plus y is equal to 4. I can have x minus y is equal to, let's say, 2. So they ask you to find the values of x and y. There are two ways you could go about solving simultaneous equation. This is simultaneous expression. So to solve simultaneous equation, you could apply two methods. Method number one is called the substitutional method. Substitutional method. While the second method is called the eliminational method. Eliminational method. So I want you to pay attention to this. Just grasp the two, then you are good to go. So here we have two unknowns you want to determine at the same time. That is the meaning of simultaneous, meaning doing something, two things at the same time. So here we call this to be equation one, they call this one to be equation two. We are adopting simultaneous a substitutional method. I said there are two ways you could solve this. Is either you use substitutional method or you use eliminational method. So in this video, I'll be teaching us on the substitutional method. So in substitutional method, this is what? Your equation one. This is equation two. So you now say, okay, well, since I have two equations here, how do I play around these two equations? You can now say that, okay, from equation one, and how do you know which one you have to pick? Either one or two is the one with the least coefficient to reduce your burden while solving. What is the equation of this x? 1. What is the equation of this y? 1. What is the equation of this one? 1. So you can pick any of the two. So let's go from equation 1. You can ask it from equation 1, y is equal to what? 4 minus x. I have not done any magic here. If you are not clear, please go back to my videos on how introduction to mathematics, how to play around the movement of number over equal to. So, this is equation 3. In answer, okay, I've gotten another equation. You can now put equation 3 in 2. I got equation 3 from equation 1. See, I have gotten what? Equation 3 by rewriting equation 1. Then in equation 2, I will now substitute 3 in 2. Anywhere where I find y, it will now be what? 4 minus x. And you know that equation 2 is what? X minus y is equal to what? 2. So you now say that x minus, what is your y? Y is what? 4 minus x. Always use your bracket. Always use your bracket. Is equal to 2. So from here now, you can now say that x minus times 4, that is minus 4, minus times minus, that's plus x is equal to 2. So you collect the like terms. Collect the like terms. Collect the like terms. So if you collect the like terms, you have it that x plus x is what? 2x is equal to 2 plus 4. If you are not clear the way I'm moving all these things, go and watch my other videos. So you have 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to, from here, 6 over 2. X is equal to what? 3. So we have gotten x to be equal to what? 3. So you now say, okay, you cannot use any of these equations, either equation 1 or 2 or 3, to derive or to get your y. You know that from equation 3, from equation 3, y is equal to what? 4 minus x. So wherever I see x, it will be what? 3. So I have y is equal to 4 minus 3. So y is equal to 1. So as simple as this. So for you to check, if x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. So what is 3 plus 1? 4. If y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1, what's 3 minus 1? 2. So we have done that using substitution method. So let's try to do another equation that has fraction under substitutional method. That has fraction. May be given, let's say we have x over 2 minus 5 is equal to y over 3. Then I have y over 4 is equal to 2x all over 3 plus 4. If I ask you to solve this, you just look at it that yes, we have two variables, two unknowns. So we have x and y, x and y. So now this is what? Equation 1. This is your what? Equation 2. What you just need to do is that you first rewrite this. Rewrite this in what? In a linear equation, so that there won't be any form of fraction. So that's it from equation 1. From equation 1, you find the LCM, or you collect the like terms. Collect like terms means that alphabet should be on one side, y number should be on the other side. So if I say, okay, well, let me collect like term, or let me find the LCM to make my work to be very easy. So on this side, this is minus 5. It means 5 over 1. So 2 times 1, that is 2. 2 goes in 2, that is 1. 1 times x, that's x. Minus 1 goes in 2. 2 times 5, that's 10. Is equal to y over 3. So you cross multiply. Cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, you are going to have 2y is equal to 3 into bracket. You can see the way I'm using brackets. Always ensure that you use your bracket so that you don't miss out your signs. So we now have 2y to be equals to 3x minus 30. So you now rewrite this expression. You now have this one will come to this side, or you see this one will come to this side. So you now have 3x minus 2y is equal to 30. So you can call this one equation 3. So you can see that I've rewritten this one in a normal simultaneous equation. So you now work for this one now. From equation 1, you have gotten this. So this is equation 3. So that's it from equation 2 now. From equation 2, you have equation 2 is what? Y over 4. Y over 4. Find the LCM. And before that, okay, yeah, we have y over 4 is equal to, what's the LCM of this? That is 3. 3 goes in 3, that's 1. 2x plus 3 times 4, that's 12. So you cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, you have 3y is equal to 4 into bracket 2x plus 12. So you now have 3y is equal to 8x plus 48. So you collect like term, sorry, yes, rearrange the expression. So you now have 8x minus 3y is equal to 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 48. So this one will now be what? Equation 4. So you bring equation 4 and 3 together. So if you bring equation 4 and 3 together, you now have 3x minus 2y is equal to 30. And what? 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 48. You can see the way I've brought the two together. I first simplify this to get this. So I can now start solving this. How do I solve this? By using substitutional method. So to use the substitutional method, like I told you, always be careful of the coefficients. Go for the one with the lowest coefficient. So let's go for equation 3. So from equation 3, I will now say that minus 2y, or let me work for it so that let me avoid sign. 3x is equal to 30 plus 2y. So that I can say x is equal to what? 30 plus 2y all over 3. So this is equation 5. So you now put equation 5 in equation 4. You know, I've gotten my x to be what? 30 plus 2y all over 3. So you now put equation 5 in 4. So if I put 5 in 4, I will have 8 into brackets, this 8x. It's now 8 in bracket 30 plus 2y all over 2, all over 3 rather, minus 3y is equal to minus 48. So I will not finish this. You can finish it on your own. Just expand it. So you have 8 times 3, that's 240 plus 16y all over 3 minus 3y is equal to minus 48. So by the time you expand this, you find the LCM first. Find the LCM of this. Because of time, I won't be able to finish that one. I want you to try your hands on it. So the answer, let's just be an exercise for you. Let's go further. So you find the LCM of this. I will have LCM now. So 3 is the so we have 240 plus 16y, then 3 times 3, that's minus 9y is equal to minus 48. So that I can have 240 plus 16y minus 9y is what? That's 7y is equal to minus 48 times 3. So I will now have 240 plus 7y is equal to this thing I say, that's 24, that's 12, that's 14 minus 144. So 7y is equal to minus 144 minus 240. So that 7y is equal to, this is 144, 240, 4, 8. This is minus 384. So y is equal to minus 384 divided by 7. So you have gotten y. Just put y in any of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2 or equation 3, but look for the one that will not give you stress. You can put it in equation 3 or equation 4. So let me solve the same question using elimination method. Elimination method. Oh, I said, this will be the next video. All right, no problem. Let me just stop for this using a substitutional method. Thank you very much for watching my video. I remain Sir Dumaj. Subscribe to my channels. More topics are coming in your mathematics. For those of you in a 100 level, like I promised, I'm already working on some topics for you. Even 200 level in the College of Medicine, be rest assured I'm going to do something fantastic for you guys. Thank you very much. And moreover, watch out for the pivot. The pivot is a program that will be coming up in our national, Nigeria National Television. Watch out, make sure that you keep up to date to what is happening inside Luma channel so that you can get the full gist, the full information about the program. Thank you very much. God bless you.